Hello my kitties. Today we're going for a little wander along the canals near where my sister lives. They're not the prettiest canals in the world, but I think they're absolutely glorious. To have something so close to where you live must be just delightful. Now, these canals, apparently there's about 2,000 miles of them still left in the UK, and apparently the government has cut funding to them, so support the canals networks wherever you can, because it's left up to the locals now and the trusts to organise the pollution and clean out the canals for all this wonderful bird life that lives in it. Well, now my niece has decided to take me off bushwalking. So it is a wonderful bush to walk in, and I know everyone has wonderful bushes all over the world, but I just love the greenness and the cool of England. I'm more of a green country girl than the gum trees of Australia. I hope you enjoy watching this little bit of bushland that we go through.